Hey guys, we are at Liberty Car Wash and Detail Center, and we are going to go get a car wash here. We're gonna see what they got. So I know I know there's sometimes one of those car washes where makes you get out, but it doesn't look like one. Doesn't look like that over here. So we're gonna get the probably gonna get the 13. So that's what I'm gonna do. All right, everyone. Look at this mitter. Look at this old mitter. I believe, if I'm not mistaken, this is an old Sherman mitter cloth or whatever. So, okay, so this is one of those where you get to go through. But wow, that mitter. So I got the 13, so I'm not getting all, I don't care for all that lava, especially when it comes to the old stuff. When it comes to the old stuff, you need to see the wash itself. Here we go, everybody. I have my wipers on, at least show you. Look at this old mitter, guys. Whoa, this is an old Sherman. This looks like we're starting out with some cool pre-soak. And by the way, it's a flats conveyor belt, which is one of those where it turns back and forth. Now, I came here also because look at this mitter that's coming up. It's made by MacNeil. I don't know what types of brushes are these though. Look at this. And then we have Motor City Washworks dryers. Rinsing. And yes, there are rocker panel brushes on the bottom as well. Wow, I gotta be honest, that was really cool. Oh, there's the go light. All right, so I'm gonna stop it here because they're gonna do a towel dry for me. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video, and peace out, y'all.